Welcome to our tutorial on how to build an app with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll show you how to use GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to create a chatbot that can respond to user input in a natural and conversational way. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. First, you'll need to install the GPT library. This can be done using the Python package manager, pip. Simply run the command pip install OpenAI in your terminal or command prompt. Next, you'll need to import the GPT library and set up your API key. This can be done by adding the following lines of code to your project: import OpenAI and OpenAI. API_key equals your _API_key. Now it's time to set up the chatbot's response function. This function will take in user input and generate a response using the GPT model. The function should look something like this: def generate_response, prompt return OpenAI. Completion. Create, engine equals text DaVinci 002, prompt equals prompt. Finally, you'll need to integrate the chatbot into your app. This can be done by adding a text input field for the user to enter their message and a button to trigger the chatbot's response. You can then call the generate_response function and display the chatbot's response to the user. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, you've created a chatbot that can respond to user input in a natural and conversational way using GPT. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Turn on notifications, like, follow, and leave a comment.